Hello, my incredible learners. Welcome back to Learn and Success, the place where your growth, confidence, and future truly matter. I am genuinely excited to speak with you today because what I'm about to share can completely change the way you learn English. Please listen carefully. English is not as difficult as it seems. It is not impossible. You can speak English fluently, and you can do it much faster than you think. Today, I'm going to show you how. I know many of you feel nervous when you try to speak English. Some of you hesitate, get stuck on words, or sometimes don't even try because you're afraid of making mistakes. And let me tell you something very important. That feeling is completely normal. You are not alone. I understand how frustrating it feels when you can understand English while reading or listening. But the moment you try to speak, your mind goes blank. You may even feel like you're not improving, even after studying English for years. But I want to remind you of something powerful. This is not the end of your journey. You are just getting started. From this moment, things are going to change. You are about to learn English in the easiest and most natural way possible. And the best part is, your progress will come faster than you expect. Let me be very clear. You do not need to study grammar all day. You do not need to memorize endless vocabulary lists. And you definitely do not need to be perfect. The secret to speaking English fluently is simple. You must live the language. You must breathe it, think in it, and use it every single day. Think about how you learned your first language. Did you sit with grammar books for hours? Did you memorize vocabulary lists? Of course not. You learned by listening, copying, and making mistakes. You spoke without fear. That is exactly how you will learn English too. So today, forget everything that made English feel difficult. Forget complicated rules, forget perfection, and most importantly, forget the fear of making mistakes. Fear is the biggest reason people fail to speak English. Fear of mistakes, fear of sounding silly, fear of being judged. But ask yourself this: how did you learn to walk? A child falls many times but never gives up. They stand up again and again until walking becomes natural. Language learning works the same way. Mistakes are not a problem. They are proof that you are learning. Say this with me. English is easy. I can speak English. I am improving every day. Your thoughts shape your progress. If you believe English is hard, your brain will resist it. If you believe English is easy, your brain will accept it. This is where everything begins. Step 1. Change your mindset. Stop saying my English is bad. Start saying I am learning and improving every day. Small changes in thinking create big changes in results. Step 2. Surround yourself with English. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country. You can create an English environment anywhere. Change your phone language to English. Start thinking in English during simple daily activities. When you wake up, think, I'm getting out of bed. I will brush my teeth. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, even in front of the mirror. It works. Step 3. Stop worrying about grammar. Grammar matters, but not at the beginning. Speaking matters first. Children don't learn grammar rules. They learn by listening and repeating. Use simple sentences like, I am eating, or she is going to work. Grammar will improve naturally as you speak more. Step 4. Speak English every day. Don't wait. Start now. Speak while cooking, walking, or driving. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Step 5. Build confidence through practice. Confidence comes from action. Speak daily. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Over time, English will feel natural, just like breathing. Now let's move to something very important: vocabulary. Many learners feel stuck because they forget words or don't know what to say. But vocabulary learning does not need to be boring or stressful. It can be fun, practical, and powerful. Vocabulary helps you express ideas clearly, but it's not about memorizing words. It's about using them in real life. Learn vocabulary in context. Don't just learn meanings, learn sentences. For example, learn the word excited with sentences like, I'm excited for the weekend. One word a day method. Choose one useful word daily. Learn its meaning and pronunciation. Use it throughout the day. In 1 month, that's 30 new words added to your active vocabulary. Use flashcards. Write the word on one side and the meaning or sentence on the other. Review them regularly. 10 minutes a day is enough. Watch English videos and shows. Watch with subtitles, repeat words out loud, pause, and note new expressions. This helps you learn real-life English. Engage in real conversations. Talk with friends, language partners, or family members in English. Speaking forces your brain to grow. Keep a vocabulary journal. Write new words with meanings and your own sentences. Review weekly and watch your progress grow. Learn vocabulary by themes. Learn words in groups like food, travel, emotions, or work. This helps your brain remember faster. Be patient and consistent. Progress takes time. Forgetting words is normal. Keep going. Now let's talk about speaking practice. This is the key to fluency. Speaking turns knowledge into skill. It improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. Speak with friends. Talk to yourself. Set small daily goals. Record your voice and listen to it. This helps improve pronunciation and track progress. Clear pronunciation makes communication easier. Recording yourself helps you notice mistakes and fix them. Finally, train yourself to think in English. Stop translating. Start thinking directly in English. Begin with simple thoughts like, I'm opening the fridge, or I'm making coffee. Then slowly move to opinions and plans. This habit makes your English faster, smoother, and more confident. Thank you so much for watching Learn and Success. I truly hope this video gave you practical tools you can use starting today. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Every small step matters. If you want more guidance, motivation, and real progress, make sure to subscribe to Learn and Success and become part of this growing community. We learn together, we grow together. Celebrate your progress. Stay consistent. Keep believing in yourself. Drop a comment and tell me how this video helped you or what topic you want next. Until the next video, keep learning, keep growing, and never stop believing in your success.